everybody! For today's video, we're going to be learning how to tie knots. This is a really important skill in the real world, from anything from first aid to broken equipment to even tying your shoes. Today we're going to be learning 8 basic knots that can help you in real life situations. Our first knot is a square knot. This one is used for tying off end knots on the end of ropes. It's often used to end packages or to tie bundles together. Square knots can also be used in first aid when dealing with injuries or tying off blood. Alright, so let's go see how a square knot is tied. The second knot we're going to be learning today is a slip knot. The slip knot is used to create loops in the rope and use a knot that is adjustable up and down the rope. These are often used on things like anchors for boats. Let's go tie one. Our third knot today is similar to the slip knot. It's called a bovine knot. This one also creates a loop in the rope. This loop is often used in rescue situations because it allows for a very tight knot at the top and a loop to carry large or heavy objects at the bottom. Rescuers use this to pull people out of water situations, cliffs, and fires. Let's go see how one's tied. The fourth knot that we're going to learn how to tie is called a 2 half hitch knot. This one is most traditionally used when tying ropes to posts or to trees. It's used like this because this knot is very easily loosened or tightened. Let's go see how one's tied. The fifth knot that we're going to be learning today is called the Clove Hitch. The Clove Hitch is most traditionally used when tying sticks together or bundles. This can also be used in creating tables or rafts. Let's go make one together. The sixth knot that we're going to be using today is called a figure 8. The figure 8 is a relatively simple knot, but it has a big job. This one can be tied anywhere on the rope and it is used as a stopper. Let's go see. The seventh knot that we're going to be learning is called the sheet bend knot. The sheet bend knot uses two different ropes to tie together. This is commonly used on sailboats, and it is used to tie different materials together, and it creates a very tight knot that doesn't allow for slippage. Let's go tie one. Our eighth and last knot that we're going to be learning today is called a top line knot. Like a slip knot, it can be easily loosened or tightened, and it's most traditionally used when tying down tents. Let's see what that looks like. Now that we're done with all the tutorials, feel free after this video to go watch some of your own, look at different kinds of knots and what they can be used for. It's not only important to know how to tie it, but when to use it and in what situation. Thank you guys so much for watching.